To make volume louder on Samsung Galaxy A57, here's what you can do. So if we proceed to settings and over here choose sounds and vibration, then in here we can go to volume. And of course, once you open the volume menu, then you can decide how loud everything should be on your phone. We have this slider for ringtone, media, notifications, system, but also AI assistant and alarms. That is, of course, if you use the same volume for all alarms, which can be changed in the clock app, or actually in the settings of the clock app. And of course, you can decide here, especially for the media, of course, how loud everything should be. And besides that, what you can also do is you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and we can find the media volume limit option. Of course, if you have the media volume limit enabled, then you can choose the custom volume limit. And in this case, you can of course increase it quite easily just by moving left and right over here on this slider. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.